Just made it to the shop, guys. That was a weird little pause. Just got to the shop, took the truck, because it hasn't been moved in like a week, so I thought I should probably drive it, even though it's snowing out here and there's gonna be salt everywhere. Doesn't matter. Drove it to the shop today. We're just doing, oh, actually, last thing, the shop that we're in and that we use, they want Garrett's SRT8 motor out of there. They want it back in the Jeep, you know, so they can have their space back, whatever, you know. So that's what we're gonna do today, which is awesome because I'm sure you guys missed seeing that build. So we're gonna try putting the new motor, so she's built up. I'll go ahead and show you that when I walk back in, what it's looking like right now. Put that back in the Jeep. Garrett's on his way with more parts to be able to do that. Here's what, you guys remember when we put these wheels and tires on? Dang. Still like the looks of that. Going in, everyone's gonna look at me like I'm weird. At any rate, this is Garrett's motor that we got to put in today. It's looking good. It's almost all put back together. And like we said in our previous videos, he's going to be doing NA for a little bit just so he can start driving it again. And then turbo eventually. That's what it's built for. So, dang, just take a look at that. Wow. And then Austin's over here cutting his.
Oh, I didn't say you could video me.
Hey, I am.
Hey, I didn't sign no release forms.
His $5,000 wheels he's cutting in half.
Not $5,000.
Shh.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing.
They work better in it.
Yeah, less weight.
And then Josh is over here. Hi, Jensen. He's polishing up the faces of them for that.
Oh, sorry.
He's polishing those up for his wheels for his drift car, the G35 or whatever the heck that thing is. But it looks good. And then this is not really us, but here it is. Hi. Let her rip, brother.
Oh, this is rough.
Hello? Hey, what's going on? Better not run. Just flipping. I fell, Grant fell on camera. I don't think you fell. Let me get her a boost. Oh, you got it. Ah. Got a shovel. Very good. We gotta get this hoop deep out back from here. Is that the right words? That wasn't right. This is pretty solid. Should be easy. It's only got 4 flat tires. Is there another shovel, buddy?
I don't think so. I didn't see one.
Well, this is embarrassing. Jeep, rescuing a Jeep, no big deal.
Alright, well I need someone to tell me when to pull and when not to pull.
Okay, I'll be that guy. Josh is saying 1 second. 1 second. Does this thing got 4-wheel drive?
Nope.
That's not good.
Yeah, well what are you gonna do? It's gonna be that way.
You should be fine.
Slow.
Slow. I'll tell you when you tense up. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. And there you go. You're tight.
Got the parking brake on or something.
Is the parking brake on? Nope.
Alright, well hold on to your button.
You're doing it. You stopped doing it.
Well, you know, you gotta give it a break.
Try it again. I can get my truck out here.
I might have to. I popped your neutral.
That was embarrassing. Try it again.
Quit turning the wheel.
Do you hear that? That's the dumpster. You see it?
Inches.
You want to like move away from it? Oh my god.
I was gonna tell you if you got close.
Is that you telling them?
All right, Brennan, help me scoot it over.
Okay, hang on. Okay, that's moved.
You gotta just walk it.
Yeah, I'll just walk it over. All right, uno más.
Yep.
Do it again.
Hooligans.
Who's doing that?
Probably me.
Hey, it's cold out.
A little bit. He needed a new bumper anyways.
Show.
I dropped it over here. Hang on, crossing. Got it. Clear. There you go. You seem to be... Is this going to be like non-stop video that you guys don't want to see? Who knows?
The truck double the
What the? Now what?
I got the truck.
Okay.
I ain't got the weight.
Stop. Stop.
Shut up.
Alright guys, nah, that sucked that I didn't get it on video, but truck pulled it back. No big deal. Jeep couldn't quite just do it, huh? Oh, wow. That's nice. Here she is.
You guys can find the Jeep for sale this week on the local marketplace.
Yeah, local marketplace. Alright guys, I just gotta wipe off the Jeep here. Get the ice off here. Yeah. Honestly, this is what I think is the best tool to wipe the ice off. Go ahead and just, yeah, and then we'll go ahead and we'll just kidding, Garrett. Boom.
Wait, they moved back here?
She's inside, defrosting.
Making a mess in Jensen's shop.
Yeah, Jensen's mad.
What's up?
Nothing.
Sure.
Shop manager's
Just-
real upset.
Well, you gotta get this. You got a
The what?
A deadline.
you got a deadline to get it out of here. The customer's upset.
Yes.
You got a due date.
Hey,
you guys
where
gotta follow the
is-
schedule.
How come the owner's never here when we're working on this thing? What's
He's good at
going
avoiding work. He's union. Stop laughing.
He should be here.
Wait, is he coming today or no?
Josh says he's supposed to be.
So I'm not the late one?
No.
Hey.
And Jordan's back.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, guys, GoPro died. So I hope I'm not covering the speaker. But Josh
You
has
had
been.
what?
Hang on, I know. Hang on.
What are you doing?
The GoPro's charged now, so I'm getting a quick update.
Everything's
Josh has
broke.
been, everything's broke. Josh has been putting together the motors, looking good. The owner of the car still hasn't showed up, no big deal.
Typical.
Typical.
Josh, work on everybody's crap.
Yeah.
Turn the thing
But-
off, going to Taco
But that's why we love them. So, Awesome has been non-stop talking about Taco Bell.
Hungry.
So we're gonna go get some food. And this was the worst idea ever, putting a TV in here.
Yeah, pretty much. Been here this whole time.
I know, but using it.
What a beauty.
Oh yeah.
It's finished. Start her up.
Turn it over. Put oil in it. Cool it. Something. I think that is how it's supposed to go, actually.
Yeah, it gets more airflow.
How come we can't have car meets like this initially? Every single car meet I've been to has been a 16-year-old kid putting it on.
Okay, guys, back from T-Bell. So we'll get back to it. Okay guys, so this is the oil clearance pan.
Oil clearance pan.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Thingamajigger. And
You made him feel stupid on his own camera.
that's okay, they do it to me every time. I do it myself. So we had to clearance it because when we were rotating the compression system, it was hitting. Oh, that's gotta be loud. So,
Sorry, we're not union here.
yep. I'll explain it more once I come over here. Come over here. It was hitting the rotary assembly.
We come here and we just do custom fab.
Correct. So. Okay, we're gonna take the intake off so we can get it in. Alright guys, motor's in. Put the strap on it for now, just to hold it up. We're gonna put the intake back on. Go home and go to bed. Alright guys, thanks to Garrett, Austin, Jenny, and Josh. Motor's back in the SRT. Just got it strapped in, like I said, for now, because that's that. So at any rate, that's the end of that. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow our Instagram. Ooh, there it all is right there. Dang. And that's it. So see you later.